Hi, I'm Jean Hopp, and welcome to Using D2L for CSC208. This video is to show you how to use the D2L Course Manager to navigate through the materials required to successfully complete CSC208. We are on the course home page right now. This is a page where we will be communicating outside of class. I will be sending emails, of course, but this page will also show anything that we're doing that's a change from the ordinary, or an update, or an answer to frequently asked questions. That's where this kind of stuff will be in addition to the email. If we click on Content, you'll see this is how it should look for you, and this is all the class material. Now, the class material is broken into two parts. Course information for more than one module, which is what it sounds like. It's things that you require throughout the whole class. And the second side is the course modules. Now, the course information for more than one module includes the syllabus, includes communication guides. The communication guides are guides to behavior that are expected of you within the class and when discussing things online or sending email, things like that. So these are texts that you need to read in order for you to understand the behavioral requirements of the class. We have not had, or I have not had, any trouble with the behavioral part of the class. So, but I just put them out there as a kind of guide. You also have templates and forms on this under this section, and that's because they apply to any part of the class. So we have the current events articles template there right now, and we have participation self-evaluation form right now. Course modules. Every course module will follow the same format. There will be a section, it will have its name, which is a number, module 0, module 1, all the way probably through module 10. The title of the module, in this case module 0, is called It's No Small Matter. And then underneath there you'll have presentation material, which would be the PowerPoints, maybe YouTube that was made for the presentation, or and like if you look at module 1, optional worksheet, how did I get here? So those things will be in there. Anything you need to use for the presentation will be under there, or links to those. So in the case of Module 0, we'll be doing 2 surveys, and I have links to those. And in addition, there's extras. Extras are optional, which is why they're labeled optional. They are going to be things that are like links to maybe, like in this case, radio broadcast, or a BBC documentary, maybe just something fun that I thought you might find interesting, all of which relate to the material that you're going to be covering in class. Okay, attendance. The attendance is going to be in here, so you can look and see for yourself what your attendance status is. We haven't started class yet, so I don't have any attendance down for myself because I'm the student in this example. But you'll be able to see your attendance status on here. We have checklists for everything that is due. I have a checklist here for things that you need to read that will be necessary for when we're in class. And then we will have checklists for activities, like when you need to take your quiz. They all have assignments, due dates, and they all will be in the calendar. Okay, we have your class list. That's who's in your class. Discussions. The discussions board has forums and topics, but however, don't anticipate us using it very much. We might have a frequently asked questions forum, depending on what happens when we start to do some of the work. The Dropbox is really important. The Dropbox is where all your information is going to be put in. So when you do your templates for your current events articles, that's where you're going to put them. You can go and put them in the Dropbox in the appropriate one. That'll also be true of your paper. And I believe that's it. Your grades can be checked here. So each time I grade, I grade them pretty quick. Each time they come through, here are the quizzes. Here's the current event articles. You'll have the number of points you achieved, and then the grades. Also, there's a final exam participation. So all those will be there for you to check. So you need to check your grades. And then quizzes. Believe it or not, people are always saying to me, I can't find the quiz. Where's the quiz? All right. Well, in this case, a quiz has not been made available yet, but this is where you're going to find the quizzes. So, under quizzes are where the quizzes are. There's one for each module. So, and I believe your final will also be given to you under quizzes. So keep that in mind. So that's it. That's a quick introduction to how we're using D2L for our CSC208 class, and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, you have to be sure to email me. So enjoy it.